The armed forces of the Philippines has been the bedrock of our sovereignty, a vital force that protects our land, our people, our freedoms. This administration will remain your steadfast partner in strengthening our institutions and upholding the rule of law so we can build a bagong Pilipinas that is stronger, that is more secure, more equitable for all. Mabigat man ang inyong sinumpang tungkulin, marami mang hamon ang kailangan harapin. Makakaasa kayo na ang buong bansa ay kasama ninyo, nagdadasal para sa inyong kaligtasan, sumusuporta sa inyong mga hakbang, at umaasang maglilingkod kayo ng may katapatan sa ating bayan.